Hello and welcome to this little short video on clearing and grounding your energy. My name is Michelle Berry and I am a Reiki master, yoga practitioner, Ayurvedic practitioner, shamanic practitioner, and so these are just some tips and techniques to help clear and ground your energy. So that you can feel more centered and balanced. And they're simple. They're things that you can do in your everyday life. And the first one is deep breathing. Taking slow and deep breaths to calm your nervous system. Inhaling all the good and positive and exhaling any negativity or tension. Number 2 is visualization. Imagining a bright light surrounding you, cleansing and purifying your energy. It's something that we do a lot in Reiki. Picturing any negativity being released and transformed into positive energy, or having this negative energy, just giving it back to the earth because it's no longer yours. And then infusing yourself from the earth through your feet into your body with positive energy and seeing this bright light all around you. Another thing that you can do is a connection to nature, spending time in nature, whether it's a walk in the park or sitting by a tree. Right now I'm on the roof of my house that I'm renting here in India, and you can hear all the birds and all the noise that's going on around me. But it's still, for me, so calming to be in this space around the green trees that are soft on the eyes, and to be in this space where I'm hearing the birds and connecting with the earth's energy to ground myself, even though I'm on a roof. Another thing you can do to ground your energy in your body is physical activity. Engaging in moderate physical exercise releases build-up in tension or any stagnant energy that could be bothering you. This could be yoga, it could be a brisk walk, it could be a HIIT exercise program. It can be just about anything. And as long as you're moving your body and or biking, it's another good one. Taking a salt bath, relaxing in Epsom salts or sea salts can help absorb any negative energy and cleanse your auric field. Now, when I lead cleanses, I like to have people do a Soleil bath, which if you Google Soleil, it's S-O-L-E. And what that is you take Himalayan salt, and you take a pound of this Himalayan salt, and you put it in your bath. And what happens is your bath water becomes about room temperature, or even your body temperature, somewhere in between there. And you get in, and this, I don't recommend doing this before bed because it actually energizes you. And because Himalayan salt has 84 of your body's 92 essential minerals, it infuses your cells with these minerals and helps your electrical system in your body, your energetic system in your body work at a higher speed. So, and then when you get out of the bath after doing your Soleil bath with all of this Himalayan salt, don't dry off afterwards. Just let those minerals soak into your skin, and you'll be able to feel how soft good high quality minerals are on the body. Another thing that you can do to help ground yourself is by using crystals like black tourmaline or hematite, or even clear quartz or selenite for cleansing. Hold them in your hands or place them near you. One thing I like to do is have selenite, a rod of selenite near my doors, so that everyone that comes into my house passes this threshold of clearing, whether they know it or not. Another thing that you can do to help ground and clear your energy is by smudging, burning sage, Palo Santo, lavender, or any other herb, yerba santa, to clear the energy around you, and just make sure that you have good ventilation so that you don't set off any fire alarms. But doing that in your space really helps ground and clear the energy. Another thing you can do is mindfulness meditation practice. And mindfulness is a way to help us stay present, let go of any intrusive thoughts, focus on our breath, or you can even focus on a calming mantra. When you get really good at mindfulness meditation, sometimes we are more interoceptive, which means we're paying attention to more what's going on inside. And sometimes when we're so internal all the time, which some healers are, doing something with exteroception and like going on, focusing on a candlelight or something to help bring us to this present moment. So that helps too. So there's these two different ways that we can practice mindfulness meditation depending on what your needs are, and that is very beautiful. Some other things that you can do are affirmations, mantras. Repeating positive affirmations shifts our mindset. And in yoga, we talk about vrittis, or these whirlpools of thoughts that we sometimes have. And by replacing them with even just one positive thought, or an empowering thought, can change our whole cycle to help give us out of this negative, clear it out, give it back to the earth, and empower us with new mindset that we are programming ourselves with. One of the biggest fads right now is earthing, which is a very old practice, and it's just spending time barefoot on natural surfaces like grass or sand, and this helps you connect directly with the earth's energy. And as you start to practice these earthing techniques and these grounding and clearing techniques, just feel free to play with it and customize it to whatever your needs are, whatever resonates with you in here that's going to help. Breath, mantra, walking. The key is to find something that works for you and to make you feel grounded and energetically balanced. So I hope that this has been helpful to those of you who are newer to grounding and clearing, and I hope that you have a great day. Like this video if you got anything out of it. Like this video, and feel free to follow my channel. I'll have lots more on energy practices, Reiki, Jyotish, Ayurveda, all these things to help us live an authentic and holistic life. Have a great day.